Hey everyone, today's April 23rd, 2020, and I hope all of you are having a great day today, and welcome to the Aaron Robin Productions YouTube channel. And I apologize I haven't made a video in about 2 weeks now, and with everything going on with the coronavirus and with social distancing, me and my girlfriend Steph, we've been trying to stay inside, and I haven't been doing car stuff. And I've been working at home for 8 weeks now, working right in my kitchen, and I've only took the BRZ out maybe 3 times. Yeah, maybe only 3 times within the 8 weeks. And I didn't really feel motivated to pick up the camera to film car stuff. I have car parts that are coming in the mail that are delayed, and I have a new front lip, and I ended up investing in a really nice, good quality front lip that I'm excited to share with all of you guys. But it's gonna be here hopefully in the next 2 weeks or so. It's already been a month or maybe about 3 weeks, and it's being delayed because of everything with the coronavirus. A lot of my shipments are being delayed. I have a bunch of car parts, my front lip, my fender canards, and I have a new rear diffuser coming in that are delayed through shipping right now. But once those come in, I'll make a video for all of those, and it's gonna transform my car completely. It's been a while since I drove the BRZ, a little less than 2 weeks, so this cold start is gonna sound awesome. And I still haven't got my new carbon fiber canards. They're coming in the mail, I promise they will be here soon, and my new front lip as well. It's gonna really make the car look awesome. So I think what I'm gonna do until my nice front lip comes in, I think I'm gonna put this one right here on my car. This generic looking one, but still looks good. I'll put this on my car until my nice one gets in, so I have something in the front to make it look good. I'm gonna put the GoPro on right now, and let's get this POV started. Alright guys, so I have the GoPro on my head. We'll start off this POV video. And I haven't made one of these videos in almost 2 years now. I made a lot of point of view videos driving my BRZ when I first got this car. And please leave a comment down below if you like this. I'm using my GoPro and I have it on my head. What I'm doing is I put it at a wide angle so you guys can see more. My car sounds so good right now too. So the last time I drove the BRZ, was when I got my new front pipe on the car, and the car sounds so good. So right now I have my NVIDIA N1 catback exhaust. I have my JDL unequal length header. I have my HKS dual resonated front pipe and my Speed by Design over pipe. And the car sounds so good. It has a really mature tone to it. It has a deep rumble, which I really love. So what I'm gonna do is just do some accelerations, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit with my plans for the BRZ and what's going on in my life as of right now. So like you guys saw at the beginning of this video, I still don't have my new front lip on my car or my new carbon fiber fender canards. And it's delayed because of the coronavirus. Shipping is taking forever, which it sucks, but it is what it is. And the thing that's concerning me now, it's getting warm outside in the Chicago area. It's almost May already. The weather's getting warm outside, and because of the coronavirus and social distancing, I feel like there's gonna be no car events this season, which honestly, it does make me sad. So in Chicago, we do have car season. It's from pretty much from April up to November and pretty much until it snows. And right now, car season is just starting. Well, it should be, but there's no car meets, no car shows. A bunch of car events have been canceled already because of COVID-19. And honestly, it's kind of depressing because I look forward to this time of the year, getting my car ready, doing new modifications for it so I can show it off at car shows. And at these car events, I meet a lot of my subscribers too. And speaking of subscribers, I just hit 8,000 subscribers. I think it was about a couple days ago now. I'm at like 8,300 subscribers right now. And I want to thank all of you guys seriously from the bottom of my heart. I remember when I hit 1,000 subscribers, and for me 1,000 was massive. Now hitting 8,000 is crazy. And for me, my next goal is 10,000 subscribers. I know we'll hit that really quick. And right now, this is rush hour. Usually during rush hour before the coronavirus, these streets would have so much traffic right now. It is 6 o'clock and there's barely any cars on the roads, which is insane. I do have a lot of big things coming for the channel, and I'll discuss some of them with you today. My car sounds so good right now. It's not too loud and obnoxious like it was before, but it does have a more mature tone to it as well. And I'm still boosting my car in the next few months. This summer, I'm gonna be boosting my BRZ, and I'll do a full series on that with the install and my experience going from naturally aspirated to boosted. And I'm still enjoying my car right now. And like I said, I have 8,000 subscribers on the channel, and I really want to thank all of you again. We'll get a quick acceleration right now. And with that dual resonated front pipe, there's less drone inside the car. It's a lot louder outside, which is fine. It makes the driving experience and cruising a lot better. Alright guys, sorry the highway's so loud, it's literally right there. We'll do a quick walk around of the BRZ really quick. And it was the same as before what I showed you. And I wish my fender canards came in already. They haven't yet. Like I said, they should be here really soon. It'll make this fender look awesome. And these Sibon wide fenders really make my car look completely different than it did before. And it is 10 millimeters, slightly bigger than the stock fenders, but it is definitely noticeable when you look at the car from this angle right here. And it looks so goofy without a front lip. I love my TRD canards, but the fitment of my Work Emotion CR Kiwamis is absolutely perfect right now. And look at this fitment. So I had my coilovers that settled in, and look, I can barely put my finger in there. I can't even put my finger in there. There's no rub whatsoever. And I did get my work wheels powder coated. Semi-gloss black is honestly the perfect color for my car, especially since my car is dark gray metallic. It honestly looks awesome with the red work center cap. And this front fitment here, and I love this vent on the front. It makes it look so aggressive. The side profile right here looks so nice. And what I like about this is I was able to make my car a little bit wider without cutting up my fenders. And I decided I'm gonna keep the side skirts, these STI style side skirts. I do like how they look. And with the diffuser, like I said, I did buy a new, more aggressive diffuser. I had this GCS OEM Plus diffuser, and it does look good. It's subtle, makes the car look more aggressive from the back for sure. But the one I got is going to be a lot more aggressive, and this side profile of my car looks awesome. This is definitely my favorite angle as of right now until I get my front lip. And my favorite cosmetic mod so far is definitely my Cybon wide carbon fiber fenders. The carbon fiber weave is so nice and it just goes out perfect. Alright guys, I put the GoPro back on. We'll head back to my house right now and finish this video. Alright guys, just got home and I noticed the GoPro gave me a mark on my head right there, which is really funny. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Today was more of an update video telling you guys what was going on. I mean, I have so many mods coming in the mail and there's no car shows, no car meets going on. I have no modifications to put on my car at the moment, so I haven't made a video in 2 weeks. But hopefully this upcoming week I should be getting some new mods in. I'll be meeting up with friends. I'll be doing more car reviews, which I want to do more of. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my BRZ, and leave a comment down below what you guys think of me using POV with my GoPro. And I haven't put my camera on my head in such a long time, and I really do love that view. And I'm planning to do some track days, some autocross, some just normal track days, and have fun with the BRZ. When I first got this car, I did so many track days and I missed doing that, and I'm planning to do that this season. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.